up, guys? Today I'm going to actually make a Lego set. Opening it. What's this toy? So I got this one bag. So what's this start? And I'll probably continue to I'll just continue to make you know. I just need to open this. Oh yeah, it's already open. And we'll be in the next video because I don't have that much of time. And yeah, okay, so this. Okay, before we actually do this thing, I just need to do something with my fish. Oh, so I just need to. Okay, let's take these guys out. I need to take them out. Fish and okay, so and snails actually. I have one of them open. Which one is this one? Oh, those are the little thingies, mummies. Okay. Oh my god. Good wee. Need those. Oh no, they're stuck! Wait. Oh my god. No, this is a problem, yeah? There you go, all of them? No. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I can take this bag out. Yeah. Okay. Ah! Bump. Okay. Snails, I already said it, by the way. Oh, boing. Boing. There we go. Burning! Oh my god. I can't play. No. Okay, so we'll just start on now. And okay, so first step we need a. What do we need here? We'll do this first. Oh, yeah, okay. So first step we need a circle. And you might wonder why my game has a game mode like Malik plays. It's because I will play Minecraft sometimes with my friend, but I'm not gonna tell you his name. But sorry, I do not have that much of time. Okay, let's just get this poopy piece and this poopy piece. Yeah. Okay, so what's this? Welcome back to video part 2.